Your online business will be under $10,000 per month for the rest of time, like forever, unless you change what I'm about to tell you in this video. So I was having a conversation the other day, and it was someone who was basically, complaining about, oh, well, people don't want to sign up, during the holidays. I'm not getting clients during the holidays because, it's a holidays, blah, 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 and all this stuff. Like holidays, and like I'm trying to like keep a straight face and just like, listen and be kind, be gentle here. See, the truth is, this is absolute BS. Absolute BS. I cannot stand when I hear people say, "Oh, well, it's the holidays, so it's been slow," or it's summer, so people are traveling and there's people aren't signing up and paying for stuff. Like, it's all a load of BS. Absolutely. All right. If you believe this, you are destined to fail. 100%. You will not make a lot of money in your life if you believe this. Like, it won't happen. Because the truth is, you have these limiting beliefs of like, oh, people don't want to sign up, and it's absolute BS. And even if like, let me tell you this, like, even if it's not BS, like, even if there's some, molecule, some, minuscule amount that is true here, it does not matter. What actually matters is your belief systems and your actions that come from your beliefs. So if you believe that, hey, it's the holidays, people don't sign up. I know a lot of people, or I used to know a lot of people, who would basically like, oh, well, it's a holiday. Well, let me like shut down, like do less content, do less outreach, turn off my ads. It's the holidays, there's no money to be made. People aren't going to sign up. It's the stupidest thing ever. Like, do you see what's actually happening here? What's actually happening, even if, let's say, normally there's 100%, and there's a pool of 100 people who are willing to sign up. And let's say it's the holidays, so let's say there's there's only 80 now. So even if there is truth to this belief statement, there's still 80 people out there, all right, in this very small example, that are willing to sign up. So even if the pool is small, the people are still there. And so what matters most is your actions here. All right, so if your actions are, oh, let me stop doing the lead gen activity, let me stop doing sales, what do you think is going to happen? Of course, you're not going to make any sales because you're choosing not to. It's the stupidest thing ever. Or if anything, if you want to actually grow your business during the holidays, during the summer, during, whatever is going on, then you have to choose to do more action, not less. All right, it's a fallacy. Like, it's illogical. It doesn't make any sense for you to do less action. Or if anything, if you want to sign clients during the season, do more action. You're going to sign more clients. That's how it works. The input-output equation. It's not magical. It's not mystical. It's literally just inputs to outputs. So it's so frustrating. Like, and this applies in a lot of places, a lot of different scenarios. Sorry. So I talked about the holidays, so summer, some myth that people make up. The recession as well. There's economy's not doing as well. The truth is, it does not matter at all. No one cares. Simply do more action and make more money and sign more clients. Like, that is it. All right. There's been inflation these past few years, as there always is. And people freak out about, like, oh, well, there's inflation. People seem like they can't afford my service. Like, it's all BS. It's absolute BS. Even, again, like, take that to like this simple pool example. Like, think of it like that. Even if, like, let's say 5 years ago there's a pool of 500,000 people that could truly afford your services and be a great fit. Even if that pool has shrunk to 300,000 people now, there's 300,000 people there. That's the total addressable market. It's massive. All right, and again, this is just a made up numbers example. The prospects are still there. The prospects are still there. What's not there is your consistent action and lead gen activities. That's the difference. So, it pisses me off so much, people who complain about this stuff, because you're just a victim. You're just a loser who's going to choose to stay broke forever. You're choosing to participate in the recession. Like, I love saying this because people get triggered over it because they're like, oh, recession. It's the stupidest thing ever. So, the reality is, if you run a business, you're just an online business. There's no laws, there's no rules restricting you from doing more action of advertising. There's nothing. You're choosing to participate in a recession. Like, you can choose not to participate if you don't want to. Just do more action. Just do more lead gen. Like, it's just a choice. So, like, that's what I want to leave you with today. If you have any of these limiting beliefs of, people sign up less, there's less clients during this season, during that, during the recession, it's all BS. It's all in your mind, and your mind infects your life. All right. So if you choose to believe these things, they're going to infect your actions. All right. Beliefs always drive action. So if you believe, it's not possible to get results during XYZ time, you're not going to get results. You're not going to take the actions that lead to getting results. So it's crucial that you protect your beliefs. I err on the side of, being a little bit irrational, because like I will not even choose to ever say, oh well, it's the holiday season. Oh well, there was the election, so add dollars. And I will never speak these things aloud, even if there is some truth, because it just does not serve me. I would rather, take the perspective of, hey, I'm going to focus on absolutely everything I can do in my control, the inputs I can do, and let the outputs play out. All right. So that's how I err on the side of, is just like a little bit of irrationality that's going to favor me taking action, because that's what's the most beneficial beliefs for me. So I encourage you to do the same. If you do want to scale your business to 30, 50, 100K a month in your business, like that's what it takes. So that's the video for today. Stop being a victim and start taking massive action. If you are an online coach and you want to work together one-on-one and actually scale your business to 30, 50, 100K per month consistently, then click the link below. We'll talk soon. Calendar's very, very limited nowadays, but go ahead and see if you can find a link or a call time, and we'll talk soon.